Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm back with some daily vocabulary words. Undergird, which is a verb meaning to support something by forming a strong base for it. Lives up to, which is a phrasal verb meaning fulfill expectations. Manna, which is a noun meaning a usually sudden and unexpected source of gratification, pleasure or gain. Thrust on, which is a phrasal verb meaning to force someone to accept or deal with something. Eloquently, which is an adverb meaning in a fluent or persuasive manner, स्पष्ट रूप से. Pans out, which is a phrasal verb meaning to develop in a particular way or in a successful way. Beleaguered, which is an adjective meaning having a lot of problems or difficulties. Far-flung, which is an adjective meaning distant or remote, dur daraz. Reinvigorate, which is a verb meaning to strengthen something. Strapped, which is an adjective meaning not having enough money. Avenues, which is a noun meaning a way of approaching a problem or making progress towards something. Mark. Disinvestment, which is a noun meaning the withdrawal or reduction of an investment. Vinivesh. Throws open the doors, which is a phrase meaning to make more accessible. Anemic, which is an adjective meaning without any energy and effort, Josh Rahit. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.